Hi guys, AR Malik here. In this video, I am going to show you how you can see your subscribers on YouTube. You can check your recent subscriber on your YouTube channel. You can see who recently subscribed your channel. Let's open up YouTube application. Now tap on bottom right corner on your profile icon. Click here. Now here you can see there is option of switch account. You can switch your account if you are not open your account on which YouTube channel is running. You have to simply click on switch account. Now click on this option view channel. Now here you can see there is an option of see your subscriber. You can click on this option see your subscriber. Here you can see there are latest my subscriber who subscribe my YouTube channel. Here you can see there is list of all the subscriber who subscribe my YouTube channel. With this simple and easy method, you can check on any YouTube channel your subscriber who subscribe you. You can see their name and their country also. Like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel.